You recording? Alright, what's up people? So I'm in this restaurant in Thailand. They've given me these chilies here. These chili peppers. I don't know, they look like maybe I can't talk like that. They look like Thai super hot. Anyway, I've just had a stir fry with them and they're pretty hot. My mate Ed there behind the camera, show your face on the camera, Ed. They're hot, aren't they, Ed?
Very deadly.
Okay. So I've got 3 here, so I'm going to see how I get on with them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Which one should I have, Ed? 1, 2 or 3?
Number 2.
Number 2. Starting a bit of burn now. They are quite hot actually.
Told you.
They are pretty hot. Not that hot, but they're pretty hot. But strangely enough, that's burning underneath my tongue. And the back of my throat's just been hit because I just swallowed a bit down the wrong way. Under my tongue, it's harsh. What's all that about? God, they are really quite hot.
I can smell it.
I do, they're really pretty hot.
They are. Told you they're deadly.
They're not like habanero, it's a different burn, it's a fire. Just a fire, pure fire burn. I'm crying. I can't have the burn.
Forgot to put the light on.
Huh?
Forgot to put the light on.
It's okay, well, I always put the light on. See the chilies properly now.
Oh. Deadly.
They are. Hotter than a bird's eye. Way hotter than a bird's eye. Almost as hot as habanero. Quite hot.
And
Might have another one in a minute.